Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you a super easy way to download songs directly using Chrome on your phone. First, open the Chrome app, then type Pixabay in the search bar and tap on the first official link. This site offers free, copyright-free music. Once you're in, swipe left through the top menu and tap on Music. A list of tracks will appear. Just tap the download icon next to the song you like. You can also search for a specific song using the search bar. Now head to the Downloads folder. Your song will be right there, ready to enjoy offline. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment your favorite downloaded track below.